everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. I went camping this weekend with my family. We were at, what's the name of that place, Mom? Oh yeah, we were at Canton. It's the location of First Monday trade days, and we were there for a First Monday weekend, and so there was lots of things to do, and we got to make a whole bunch of fun meals in the camper and do a lot of fun stuff at the Canton KOA campground. And it was just really great. And they also had Camp K9 for me. And so I had a place to go run and play. And it was just a really fun vacation. So we had a fun Labor Day weekend. Hope you did too. And as we're wrapping up the weekend, here's our Monday meal for the holiday weekend. All right, so my mom made this slow cooker chicken curry. And you know, she likes to have an Instapot in the travel trailer, and the Instapot also has a slow cooker on it, so you can do that with yours as well. But she made this slow cooker chicken curry, and she got it from allrecipes.com. And she'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. But it was so flavorful, just so many spices, and it got a lot better reviews than some of the other slow cooker chicken curry recipes that they said were just not as flavorful. So this is the one she chose because it just had a lot more spices and flavor in it, and we love curry. And she cooked her chicken breast from frozen, also added rice later on in the cook, and you'll see that in the video. How to do that as well, and everything turned out perfect. So this is a really great one because you can cook the chicken from frozen without having to thaw it in. You can add some rice, and it can just be a nice one-pot meal. So hopefully you guys will give it a try, and we hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. We certainly did. I always love to go camping with my family. So I'll talk to you next week. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, we are making a slow cooker chicken curry this week for the Monday meal. We've got it set on high because we are cooking these chicken breasts, you guessed it, from frozen. I got this recipe from allrecipes.com, and so I'll link it in the description box below, but it's the All Recipes website, and it's slow cooker chicken curry. But I am cooking these chicken breasts from frozen. So from frozen, you can either cook them 4 to 6 hours on high, which we're doing high, or you can do about 6 to 8 hours on low. So we're going to cook these in the curry, and that way we can shred up the chicken towards the end when I put in the rice. We're also going to add rice to this. So I'm going to use some white rice here. And so I read that if you use, for every 1 part rice, you use 2 parts liquid. So I've got enough for 2 cups of rice in there. So I did 2 cups of organic coconut milk. And then I did 2 cups of organic chicken broth. Now, the reason I did that was because I've read some other recipes for slow cooker chicken curry, and they combine these 2 things. This coconut milk, it called for like 1 3/4 cups, or basically 14 ounces. 2 of those, 2 cans that were 14 ounces. So I did 2 cups of this and then 2 cups of this instead of just all coconut milk. All right, so that's what's in there liquid-wise. Then I've got 2 onions. So that's roughly 6 tablespoons of minced onion, dried minced onion. Then there are 4 tablespoons of tomato paste in there. Then there are 4 tablespoons, yes, you heard that right, of minced garlic. Whoop, whoop. Then, go around here, we have got a teaspoon of ground ginger, which equals 4 tablespoons of fresh ginger. If you had that, I didn't have fresh, so I had to use a conversion to get ground ginger. So 1 teaspoon of that. Then I used a tablespoon of ground cumin, a tablespoon of ground turmeric, tablespoon of ground coriander, tablespoon of curry powder, and then salt and pepper to taste, you're just however much you think, and then 4 bay leaves. So I basically dumped the rest of this in there, and then 1 stick of cinnamon. so that is what is in our curry sauce. Then I put 6 chicken breasts in here, frozen chicken breasts, because it called for 3 pounds. So that's roughly, of the ones I had, 6. So there are 6 frozen chicken breasts, and then all this other stuff I just told you about is the curry sauce. And I did add some extra liquid so that I can put rice in there later once we get to about maybe 2 hours left. So once I'm around there, I will take the lid off and add in 2 cups of rice. All right, see you then. Bye. All right, it's been 2 hours. The chicken is mostly done. I went ahead and shredded it and then put 2 cups of this Four Sisters parboiled white rice in there. And that's going to cook for another 1.5 to 2.5 hours, it said, for rice in the slow cooker on high. And remember, I've got enough liquid in here for that rice. So I'll check it again in another hour or so and see how it's doing, 1.5 hours. And show you what it looks like. All right, here's the finished product. It only took 1 hour to 1.5 hours for the rice to cook on high once I put it in there. So it did not take any longer than that, just FYI. And it's done. This is our slow cooker chicken curry. It's what's for dinner.